Hi, welcome to EarlyON. We offer programming for children aged 0 to 6 and their parents and caregivers. My name is Robyn, and today we are going to be making a worm farm with Alyssa and Jackson. So first we have shredded paper in here because that's going to be the worm's bed. So we are going to spray it. Are you ready to spray it? Mm-hmm. Get your spray bottles. It's a little bit wet. Let's spray it some more. We don't want it too wet because we don't want the worms to drown. So we just want it damp, like a damp sponge. That is good. So we are, does it feel okay? Yeah. Okay. And I have a taller container in here. And I have already pre-drilled holes so that the worms can breathe. They breathe through their skin. So I have some holes in the bottom to make sure if there's any excess water in there, it will drain out. And the top ones will let some air in. So we are going to put some of the paper inside the bin. Put it in. That's going to be the worm's bed where they're going to lay. Let's leave some for the top. So let's put some in the bottom. And then we'll leave some on the deck. And we'll leave some for the top because we have to cover them up. Because worms don't like the sun. They hide from the sun. So after we put all the shredded paper in the bottom, we are going to put some food in for them. So worms like to eat things like fruit and vegetable peels. Sometimes you can put coffee grounds in. You can put eggshells. They only ask you not to put any citrus in. Worms don't particularly like citrus, so we won't be putting any citrus in there. So we are going to put it in one corner of the bin. And then we will check it in a couple of days. So the first time you put food in, you only want to put a little bit of food in. If you put too much in, then your bin will smell. So we just want to put a little bit in, and then we'll check it in a couple of days. And the worms, when they get climatized to their new environment, may not want to eat right away. It may take them a little bit. So we're just going to put the food in. So put some apples. We have apple peels and bananas. Here, Jackson, put it in one corner for now. Put some in the same corner. There we go.
I don't like banana peels.
You don't like banana peels, but the worms like banana peels.
And I like apple peels that like worms.
You like apple peels just like worms. You're right, you do.
Yeah, I do.
And then what we're going to do is we are going to put some dirt, and I have cut up some egg carton because it's good to have in there because worms, believe it or not, like to eat paper and egg cartons. So let's put some of this in. You want some in there, Jackson? Okay, put some egg cartons in. And then we are going to put the dirt in. There's dirt in here, look. So let's sprinkle it. Help me. Sprinkle it in. Because this is where the worm's house is going to be. Put it all in. Would you like to live in a dirt house?
No.
No. Okay. And you want to make sure that the dirt in their environment is just a little bit damp because if there's too much water, they will drown. So we have that already, and now we have our worms. They're called red wiggler worms, and they are best for composting. So I'm not sure if we can even see them in there because they don't like sunlight, like they like to hide. So let's see.
There's one right there, I think.
I think that might be some compost. Let's see if we can find some so we can show our friends what the worms look like.
Oh, there's one right there.
Do you want to pick one up? Do you want to pick one up, Jackson? Yes? Let's see if we can find. Look at them. They're all in one big pile in here.
They're so tiny.
Would you like to hold one?
Yeah. Mina, you like a whole one?
Maybe.
Okay, here it goes. Oh, it's wiggling. How does that feel, Jackson? Good. This is a lot of fun for
Slimy.
kids to learn about composting. Is it tickle? Yeah. You want to put it back in? Alyssa, would you like to hold one? You don't have to. Every child's comfort level is a little bit different, and they may choose to hold them, or they may choose to touch them, or they may just want to look at them, and that's okay.
Can I hold it?
Okay, do you want to put it back in? What I'm going to do, it looks like they're all in a big pile inside here, all together. So we are going to put them in our compost bin, and we're going to let them get adjusted to their environment. Okay, Jackson and Alyssa, take some of the paper and put it on top so that they can hide. There we go, and that's how you make a worm composter. And so I'm going to close the lid. We have holes in there for them to breathe. We don't want them wiggling out of the bin. So what I'm going to do is put this tall bin inside this bin so that if there is any water or liquid leaking out, then it's going to leak inside the bin. You're going to want to check it every couple of days to make sure they have enough food. So you want to keep checking it, and you'll be able to gauge how much they're eating and how much is left every couple of days. And if they don't have enough food, don't worry, because they will eat the newspaper or the cardboard that is in the bin. So we are going to keep this in a cool, dark place so that it stays cool. They don't get overheated. Thank you for joining us on today's Early On activity.
It's an ant! It's an ant!